Hi, friends. Let's go downstairs into the garden, harvest some herbs, and make our weight loss tea today. All right, let's get going. Harvested these chamomile 2 days ago, and look at all the bloom. We're about to get some more. Harvesting rosemary for rosemary tea. Ready to harvest some thyme for the weight loss tea, which we're about to make. If you look, these thymes are beginning to flower, and for most herbs, usually their aroma comes out best when they're beginning to flower. It smells so good. Use the shear to trim off some of them. Okay, welcome back, friends. Hi, everyone. If you have already subscribed, please share and then hit a notification button and like this video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and sharing. It will definitely help us out on this channel. All right, let's get to making some weight loss tea. So what we're going to do in this case is to, after we have harvested the thyme, the rosemary, and the chamomile with some of the lavender, we wash them. I like to dehydrate the thyme, especially the ones with the flower, with the stalk still on, and so that way it is much easier to remove them when they're dry as opposed to when they're still fresh. The same goes with rosemary. Normally, I would leave them to dry naturally, especially the rosemary. It doesn't take long for rosemary to dry. If you leave it out for a day, it will just definitely dry. But I just wanted to make this tea today. So we're going to put them in a dehydrator about in for 5 hours at about 80 degrees. So we're just gonna go do that. The herbs have dehydrated. We measured out about 2.5 tablespoons of chamomile, dried chamomile, 2.5 tablespoons of rosemary, 2.5 tablespoons of thyme, and then we'll mix in 500. We're going to do a total of 1,500 ml of water. One of this is about 500 ml. So we poured in 3. And we're gonna allow to cook. We'll cook it for 10 minutes. After the tea boiled for 10 minutes, we let it steep for 30 minutes to cool down. Now we're going to bring it and then strain it and add lemon to it. It has cooled down completely. And now we are going to strain it. And then we're going to Strain everything out. The next step is to add lemon. This is a Maya lemon, grown. Barely have any seed. And then we'll just get the lemon juice out. We're going to pour it in and mix together. So lemon generally has been known to help boost metabolism, especially when added to warm water. And so that's why we're adding lemon to this. So we are going to talk about some of the properties of rosemary, thyme, and chamomile. Chamomile is rich in antioxidants. It has a compound called apigenin, which binds to the benzodiazepine receptor in the brain and helps promote relaxation. It can be used in treating mild to moderate anxiety. It also has GI properties, and it has been used in dysmenorrhea or menstrual cramps due to its antispasmodic effects, whereby it decreases the contraction of smooth muscle in the gut. Also has been used to help insomnia by aiding sleep. Chamomile and rosemary combination have been shown to help increase burning of accumulation fat. Rosemary contains antioxidants called rosmarinic and carbonosic acids. These compounds help to neutralize harmful free radicals or toxins in the body, thereby help in the reduction of inflammation. Rosemary in particular has also been implicated in boosting metabolism by suppressing appetite, as well as thyme. So these two in combination can have a synergistic effect in reducing weight. They have also been implicated in cognitive enhancement. There has been studies that show that it has neuroprotective effects, which helps to enhance cognitive function. Let's get to finishing these tea. Now we are going to pour this, store it, and then drink it. Product. It looks great. It smells great. And now we are going to explain how to take the tea. The best way to take this tea is to drink it on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning, warm. That gives you the best effect. Try it for 7 days straight, and you will surely see the benefit. You probably notice that your stomach is much flatter, and you will enjoy that. If you find value from this video, please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already done so. It will surely help us out on this channel. So let's now get to testing. It tastes really, really great. Thank you, everyone.